How to send Ethereum from crypto.com to Uniswap. So like always, you're going to be heading over to Uniswap wallet, which looks something like this. In Uniswap, you're going to be clicking on this receive and copy the address. Once your address is copied, you can see it is also written on top. Then you're going to be heading over to your crypto.com platform. So make sure to head over to crypto.com and type in here for crypto.com and go. Then you're going to be sending from this particular section. I just typed the URL incorrect, but yeah, you got the point right. You're going to be heading over to crypto.com. You can also install the application for that as well, but yeah, if you want to be really fast and do not want to switch devices, so you can head over to crypto.com and click on the send option, so you can see pay, and yeah, and that will be helping you to send money from Ethereum from crypto.com to Uniswap. So that's the process for that.